At the Royal School of Needlework, our future tutors learn all our techniques to the highest technical standards, and they cover a wide variety from Crewelwork through to here, Appliqué and Stumpwork. So this incorporates a wide variety of fabrics for the appliqué and an individual for the stumpwork. Now, stumpwork is a 19th century term. It was used for raised embroidery, but particularly relating to a figure, a person. And our students have to create that person with a face, with hair, and also with hands. Although if they're clever, like here with Deborah Wilding's piece, she could do a long skirt, and that means she didn't have to do the feet. But we can see her hand, and it's worked as individual fingers so that it really looks a three-dimensional hand. And then, well, of course, this is The Princess and the Pea, a much-loved children's story. And if you follow down the layers of the mattresses, you can actually find the pea hidden at the bottom. So I think it's quite a challenge to even think how the princess is going to get up to the top of this bed. So many mattresses are there, but we can all definitely see that fluorescent green pea down at the bottom. So this piece has been on exhibition a number of times for the RSN. It's a much loved piece, and we look forward to showing it again.